Hey Lemlisters! At Lemlist, we developed several features for you to boost your email deliverability. Last week, I talked about Lemwarm, our unique feature to warm up your email domain. But today, I'm going to talk about how to create your custom tracking domain. That means you're not going to use Lemlist domain to track all your emails, but your very own one. So you're going to make your deliverability even better. It only takes a few minutes, so bear with me. I'm going to go through all the steps with you. So when you are in the app, you go to the settings tab, and then you can access your custom tracking domain from two different sections, the user section or the team. The only difference is if you're part of a team where members have different domains, then you're gonna have to create your own custom tracking domain from the user section. If all members of the team have the same domain, then you just have to create your custom tracking domain once, and it's gonna apply to all members. So you can do it from team. But here for the example, I'm going to stay on user, you scroll down, and then you indicate your domain. So for Lemlist, it would be lemlist.com. But for this example, I'm going to take something else, and then you press check. Then this is pretty awesome because Lemlist is doing almost everything for you. That means it indicates what domain provider you're using, and it also puts the article where everything is explained how to create a subdomain. That means a DNS entry. I'm going to show you in a minute. And then it's also indicates the three information that you're going to need to achieve this. So I know that we're at Cloudflare, so I'm going to go to Cloudflare, to my Cloudflare account. So of course, you're not going to have the same interface if you're not at Cloudflare, because you probably have different domain providers, but the process is exactly the same, so no worries. And again, you're going to have to ask your dev team probably to give you access to this kind of platform. So you can ask them a few questions if it's not clear where to find the different sections. But here you're going to have probably a list of different domains that you have. I'm going to click on the only one, but click on the domain where you want to add a subdomain to, and then look for the DNS section. Then you're going to add a record or add an entry, whatever, and you're going to find different blank blocks that are related to the information that Lemlist gave you here. So I'm going to enter these three information, and you see that you can copy it to the clipboard. So I'm going to copy this one to be sure, but for the other ones, CNAME and trail, pretty easy. I'm going to select CNAME from here. Here we said trail. And for the targets, I'm going to paste it. So something special for Cloudflare, but not for other domain providers. You need to click on this little cloud here. So it's going to change the proxy. But other than that, you don't have to do anything else than enter this information. Then you save it. And you're done. You can see your line here. Then you're going to check if internet has taken into account the subdomain that you just created, so you can finalize the setup of your custom tracking domain in the Lemlist app. To do so, you can use different platforms. I'm going to use MX Toolbox. Click on the DNS lookup, enter the DNS record that I just created, and press this button. And it says that the DNS record was found. You can see also this green tick. So everything is live on internet. I can finalize the setup, going back to the app and pressing this button. And that's it. I have nothing else to do. But for those who have something saying that the record was not found, no worries. It can take up to 72 hours to be live. So you just have to set up an alarm in your agenda to remember that 3 days after, you have to come back and check if it's okay and finish your setup of your custom tracking domain. So this was pretty straightforward. Don't hesitate to ask the support to help you a bit with this if you have different domain providers and you're a bit lost. But I hope you liked it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button just below the video so you have plenty of tips. We have new features coming every month, so don't miss any of them. I wish you a very good day, guys, and I see you next week. Bye-bye.